Hey guys, welcome to our very first math lesson. This is going to be more of kind of art math lesson. So we're going to do an activity together. I'm going to try to show you here next to me. And then you're going to get to make your own, okay? So today for math, what you're going to need is out of your baggie, you're going to need a pair of scissors, okay? You're also going to need a glue stick. And then your math lessons that you do with me every day, they are going to be these purple papers, and they're all stapled together, okay? And they're all in order of how we're going to learn them. Today we're going to do 2 papers, okay? So I'm going to show you first, and then after I'm done showing you, then you're going to get to do something yourself, okay? And remember, if there's ever anything you're looking for or something that you need, or if there's something I said and you need to repeat it, you can always pause this video. You can go back, you can rewatch it. Say you wanted to stop right now and you want to get your scissors and glue and your purple papers, you could push pause. And then after you're finished, you can unpause, okay? All right, so I wanted to show you guys something that I made. I made all these number cards, okay? So on the front, there are numbers. They're probably gonna look backwards to you on your camera, okay? And then on the back of them, there are all of these dots. And guess what? The dots match the numbers, okay? So for example, what number is this? This is number 8. So on the back of the 8 card, there are 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm gonna play a game with these cards, okay? I'm gonna move my camera here and hope this works. So I'm gonna lay all of my cards out next to me, and let's see if this works, okay? I'm gonna flip my camera. Perfect. Oh, look, and now you can see them, right? Okay, so they're all mixed up in front of me, and I'm going to try to get them in order as fast as I can. Okay, I'm going to start with 5 because I know 5's the number in the middle. After 5, oh, yeah, there's number 6, 7, 8. I also love how these numbers have the line at the bottom because that helps you know that your number is straight. Because sometimes we mix up the 6 and the 9, right? Because look, if I flip it upside down, it looks like a 6. 9, 10, 4. Oh, almost messed that up. Okay, so now I think all of my cards are in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What number comes after 9? 10. Good job. Okay, so now that all of my numbers are in order, I wanted you to remember that each one of these numbers, that they have a dot on the back, okay? Let me show you the back of card number 1. How many dots are on the back of card number 1? Yeah, so how many dots would be on the back of card number 2? Right, 2. Okay, how many dots are there going to be on the number 3 card? Right, 3, because 3 is 1 more than 2, right? Just 1 more than 2. And then 4 has 4 dots. Good job. 1 more than 4 would be 5. 1 more than 5 is 6. Maybe I'll just flip them like this. There we go. Now you can see them. We were on 6, right? Okay. 1 more than 6 is 7. 1 more than 7 is 8. 1 more than 8 is 9. And 1 more than 9 is 10. Okay? So these are really, really important cards. And you guys are going to need them for yourself for our math lessons on the next few days, okay? So Miss Reed gave you, or Mrs. Lewis gave you a purple packet that has all of your math papers in it. If you pay attention, the first paper is numbers 1 through 5. You can just take it right off like this. Watch. Just take it right off. And your second one is numbers to 10. The rest of your packet you can put back inside your folder. We don't need this till another day, okay? So that goes to the side. Now you're going to make your own cards. That's all you're going to do today, you guys. We're going to get these cards made. We're going to get these cards prepped. And then tomorrow we're going to do some activities with these cards. So in order to make your cards, you're going to first cut out the outside line. You see this? Just cut off the border. And then this is what Miss Reed did. Then she cut them in strips. Okay, so she cut out the outside. Then she cut straight up the line, right? Because this 5 and 5, they stay together for their card. Okay, you cut straight up. So you're going to have long strips. After you finish your long strips, you will fold them in half and glue them. Would you like me to show you? I will make one. That will help, okay? If you do not want to keep watching the video, if you know how to make your own cards, you can go ahead and log out. But at the end of the day today, after you fold them in half, you're going to have to glue them. And then all 10 of your cards, I want you to put them in a baggie so we can use them tomorrow, okay? If you want to watch me do it, we can do this together, okay? So first you're going to get your scissors, and I said we want to cut it on the outside. Am I cutting anything in the middle? Nope, just the outside. Remember, if Miss Reed's moving too fast and you can't keep up, can you push the pause button? Okay, you can pause me anytime you want, or you can also go back and rewatch it. Okay, so I cut off the outside. Then Miss Reed said you're going to cut it into strips. So I'm going to go straight up my line, just like this, okay? Straight up my line. So now I have a long number 5 with the 5 dots that match underneath, okay? Here, I'll flip backwards because I think I might be able to see through the back of the paper. Does that help, guys? Good job. Just like that, okay? Is that the only page, or were there 2 pages, right? You got to do the other page too, but I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do that on the second page. It'll make our video really long. Okay, now this is how I made my card. You see this line down the middle? It has the letters F-O-L-D. I know they're backwards on your screen, but it spells the word fold. Okay, so that means that's where it wants you to fold your strip in half. See how I folded it now? After you're done folding it, then you can take your glue stick. You're going to put glue on one side of it. I put some right there, okay? Then watch. Then I fold it again because that line's already there that I folded. And now I have one of my cards. Okay, you're going to do that. You're going to make all 10 of your cards today. After you make all 10 of your cards, I would love for you, actually don't put them in a baggie first. Sorry, this is kind of bad for the end of the video. You're going to put all those cards out just like I did. And were they all mixed up? Okay, put all your cards out mixed up and try to get them in the right order for you from 1 to 10. And then you can flip them over and you can make sure, you could count your dots and make sure that they're still in order from 1 to 10, okay? After you do that, then you can put them in your baggie for tomorrow. I'm sorry. And then also make sure that you get 15 to 20 minutes of Gigi in today. That is also on the home screen, okay? I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.